Hi, I'm Poonam and welcome to another segment of Bosworth Community Center Yoga. In this episode, we are focusing on morning routine. So typically we wake up in the morning and rush for family life or work life. We grab our phone or get a cup of tea and start watching TV or maybe plunge into the work. But if you do just 10 minutes of yoga to start your day, you can see amazing benefit throughout the day. Let's begin with morning routine. This is very simple and 10 minutes only. Actually, we are going to do completely workout in 10 minutes. So sit on the mat or floor, join your feet and grab with your both hands and start bringing your knees up and down. This is called butterfly posture because final posture looks like a butterfly. Coordinate your body movement with your breath. So inhale, exhale. Repeat this asana for 10 to 20 times. Butterfly posture helps to create flexibility in all the joints of your legs. Take a deep cleansing breath. Stretch your arms towards the sky as you're breathing out. You're bending forward to touch the earth. So sky to earth. If you want, you can push your chest forward when your arms raising towards the sky. Exhale towards the earth like you are saluting to sky and earth together. It opens up all the energy which is hidden in your spine. It creates fluidity in your body. Take a deep cleansing breath, stretch your arms and come back to neutral posture. Now we are focusing on sides of our body. So stretching your one arm towards the sky, other hand on the earth and move your body side by side. Now you are breathing in through your rib cage. Your rib cage muscles are open. So inhale, exhale. Come back to neutral position when you are ready. After a couple of breaths, stretch your both legs in front of you. Now you look like an L, alphabet L. Fold your left leg by your knee and wrapping your right arm around your left knee. Left hand is staying on the yoga mat behind your hip. As you start taking your longest and deepest breath, move your chest to your left side and final position when you gaze over your left shoulder. Staying in this asana for 5 to 10 breaths. This asana helps you to cleanse your body, detoxifying process for your body, and it is helping not to develop diabetes in your body because here you are engaging your pancreas during this asana. When you are ready, just change the side and stop for 5 to 10 breaths. Your body is completely relaxing, only you are having twist in your stomach. So your torso is twisted in this asana. Inhaling and stretching your both arms towards the sky, exhaling, your fingertips going towards your toes. Repeat this asana for 5 to 10 times with your deepest and longest breath. Feel the flexibility in your spine. This is very good asana for upper and lower back. Stretching your arms left and right and join your hands in your heart center in Namaste. Be grateful for your mind, for your body, for one more day in your life. Be grateful for everything. Now, place your both hands by both sides of your hips. Make your spine straight and look forward. This asana helps you to minimize the postural fault in your body, giving your spine a correct straight line. Now you are ready for boat posture. Boat posture is very good for your digestion, improves balance and concentration in your mind and body both. So find the comfortable position where you are balancing your body on your tailbone, lifting your legs, holding your thighs with your hands, and once you find the balance, you can release your legs or thighs, stretching your arms by the sides of your legs. If you want to be a bit brave, stretching your arms towards the sky, gaze up, and legs are in the air, holding this posture as long as you are comfortable. And slowly, when you are ready, reverse this asana. Come back to neutral posture and relax. Now we are focusing on our legs. So place your both hands by both sides of your hips and raising your legs in air with your breath. So inhale up, exhale down. Keep on swapping your legs. Repeating 10 to 20 times or as long as you want. Then you are paddling a cycle with your left leg. So do clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 to 10 times. And then circling your legs like you are drawing a circle with your left leg. 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. Very good asana for all the joints of your legs. It prepares your legs early in the morning to carry your body weight whole day around. We should be doing these legs exercise every day, early in the morning. And now focusing on our arms, stretch your arms forward with your inhalation and exhale, touch your shoulders. Repeat 5 times. Then stretch your arms left and right, open with inhalation, exhale, touching your shoulders. Now arms towards the sky, repeat in the same way, 5 times again. Shoulder rotation, rotate clockwise 5 times. Inhale, exhale, and then anti-clockwise. Beautiful. Enjoy the fluidity in your body. Deep cleansing breath, hands joining in Namaste in your heart center. Come back to neutral position. We are ready for flow meditation. So joining your hands when you are ready in your heart center, stretching your arms towards the sky in mountain posture, and then by stretching your arms left and right, bring back to Namaste. So repeat this asana for 5 to 10 times and then reverse. So now we are bringing our arms top to bottom. Beautiful. Inhaling, holding your knees and push your heart out of the body. Exhale to hunch back. 5 to 10 times once again. Now your body must be very warm, so all the kriya must be very easy for you. You must be feeling that you are ready to face the day. So before we will leave our mat, let's do some pranayama, breathing practice. This is called alternate nostril breathing. So come back to any comfortable posture. Bring your hands in Jnana Mudra, close your right nostril. With your right thumb, breathe in through your left, swap your nostril and breathe out. Inhale, swap your nostril, exhale. To follow this pranayama in correct way, please check the other videos of Bosworth Community Center and repeat this pranayama for 10 to 30 times or as long as you want. Hope you are ready to start your day with a smile. Thank you very much for joining me. Have a very beautiful day.